Today, we're checking out the DIY.Graphics acrylic signs. With just an inkjet printer, you can make full-color professional signs and nameplates for schools, businesses, and home use. There's no more paper signs at the office. Inform and direct customers with professional signage. Use them in-house or sell signage for huge profit with material costing less than $2.50 each, creating a great additional revenue stream. It's super easy. Just print the design, peel, position, cut, and furnish. It's made with formulated adhesive that will enhance your image with sturdy polished acrylic. Protects from fingerprints, wear and tear, and fraying. Print anything from logos to photos and even special promotion. There's no waiting, no setup charges, no minimum order. Become your own printer with no equipment investment with DIY.Graphics.